The world is shifting, and Africa is no longer whispering. It is speaking loudly, boldly, and without permission. In Dakar, Senegal, at a major international conference on sovereignty, Thursday, April 9, 2026, one man stepped forward and said what many African leaders avoid saying out loud. That man is Ousmane Sonko, Senegal's prime minister, known for challenging Western dominance and pushing for African sovereignty. This time, his words were aimed directly at Donald Trump and the global consequences of war. Sonko did not hold back. He argued that the war involving the United States, Israel, and Iran has failed to achieve its core objectives. He stated clearly, reducing Iran's ballistic capabilities has not been achieved. Forcing Iran to abandon all nuclear programs has not been achieved. Then came the line that shook the room. None of the objectives have been met, yet the world has been thrown into chaos. And then the direct hit. Donald Trump is not a man of peace. He is a man who destabilizes the world. But this was bigger than one man. The conference, hosted by Pascal Boniface, focused on a rising force, the Global South. According to Boniface, the West has not lost power, but it has lost its monopoly. He made it simple. The world should not have some seated at the table, while others are left standing or serving. Sonko's message was clear. Africa must unite, pool its power, speak with one voice. And at the center of it all, Africa's youth. A force, he says, that must be mobilized. This is not just politics. This is a turning point in global history, where influence is no longer owned, but contested. What if power was the only law left? No rules, no permission. Any leader, taken at will. Any country, stripped of its power. Gold, oil, land, taken, not traded. Sovereignty becomes a story, not a reality. Leaders rule in fear, or don't rule at all. And the people, they live watching, waiting for their turn.
A world where power decides everything. Will Africa rise united, or remain divided in a world that is rapidly changing? Subscribe for more real stories shaping our world. No filters, just facts.